So I've heard of this thing called Voicemod and it looks really cool, but I don't know how to use it. Don't worry, I can show you how to use it. Oh yes, please, that would be amazing. Hello and welcome to this tutorial which is going to show you how to use Voicemod. Voicemod is a voice changer which allows you to really immerse yourself into a character during your gameplays or streams, or for any other reason that you might need to use a voice changer. Want to sound like you're in a cave? Sure.
Fancy sounding like a zombie? Why not?
Want to turn into a robot? Go ahead. You can do all of these things with Voicemod. First, let's start with the basics on how to download and install Voicemod, because of course, this is a very important step. So first off, you want to head over to your browser and search for Voicemod. Make sure that you click on voicemod.net for the official website. That will then bring you to this page. So there is a free version of Voicemod and there is also a paid version of Voicemod. Of course, you get more benefits with the paid version and you also get more voices to choose from. To start off with, we're going to click on this button here which says Get Voicemod Free. Once you have clicked on this, you then have to go ahead and create an account, which is very easy, just follow all of the steps. The process doesn't take very long, and as soon as you finish creating your account, Voicemod will start downloading automatically. So now as you can see, I have made my account and the download has started automatically. You may get a Windows security pop-up, just click yes. Once Voicemod has finished downloading, open up the installer from your downloads folder, and then you can choose what language you would like to set it up in. Once you have chosen your language, you will then get the setup menu. So for this, just follow all of the steps. It's very simple and doesn't take very long at all. Here we want to click next. Then you want to read through the terms and conditions. Once you have read through all of the terms and conditions, click agree and then click next. Now you can choose where you would like your program to be installed. For me, I want to keep it on my desktop. You can also make some additional shortcuts if you would like to. And now that you've gotten to this stage, you can go ahead and click install. And now you just need to patiently wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, you can click finish. Now that Voicemod has finished installing, you should see this. So just go ahead and click get started. It will then open up the browser and you should already be logged in after creating your account. So once it's finished loading, this is what you're going to see. So you just want to select the option that you'll be using Voicemod mainly for. For me, it will be used for content creation. Then click continue. Now it's saying to connect your headphones for the best audio experience. Once you have connected your headphones, click continue. Now you need to select which microphone you would like Voicemod to be using and also what speakers you want to use. It's already located my Blue Yeti microphone, and now I'll just choose what speakers I want it to use as well. Now it sounds like I'm in a cave, so it's very echoey, which is really cool actually. This is awesome. So now that you know that's working, click all done. Okay, so now it says we've just created your new virtual microphone. To use Voicemod in different applications, select Voicemod Virtual Audio Device as the input in the app's audio settings. So here it is showing that it's all done. Click Explore Your Sound. And now we are in the official app for Voicemod. So the first thing you want to check to make sure that is on is the voice changer down here. Make sure this is switched on so then it does work when you choose one of the different sound effects. If you want to hear yourself speaking with one of the sound effects, then you can turn it on right here. You'll find your settings tab over here in the bottom corner, and here you can see that my mic is working and that I have the right headphones selected. There are advanced audio settings here as well if you wanted to play around with those. Here you've got some general settings, and then you've also got keybinds, which would be super helpful while streaming or recording, or even just messing about with your friends. On the right hand side here, you can change the bass, the middle, treble, mix, and the voice volume. You can also add extra keys at the bottom here. Down here you'll find the options to mute yourself, optimize your audio experience, bleep the bleep out of everyone, and then also connect a Voicemod controller. There's also an option here if you would like to get the Voicemod Pro. If you wish to use Voicemod with a different application, for example OBS, Discord, things like that, I'm using OBS right now, then you can connect it via those applications. To give you an example, I'm on my Discord right now. Head over to your settings and then go to voice and video. And if I click here, you can see that Voicemod has actually created another audio selection. If you want to use Voicemod and be able to use the sound effects in Discord, then you need to select Voicemod Virtual Audio. And then this will allow you to use Voicemod through your microphone on Discord, and then you can also use the cool sound effects as well. So if we head over to the soundboard now, as you can see, there are so many sounds that you can use. For example, a door slamming, screaming, ringtone, crickets, and I could think of so many scenarios that these can be used in. It's amazing. There are loads to choose from. There is also community sounds as well, so sounds that other people have created, which is very cool. Then you also have the TTS option on the side as well, which is Voicemod text to speech. Then you've also got the creators tab as well, Voicemod Live and partnership program. Down at the side, you also have start guides and you can access your account here as well. Remember that you can add keys to different sounds if you would like to just have a quick shortcut access to change your voice while recording or in a stream, or just while messing about with your friends to scare the heck out of them. But now for the bit that you've all been waiting for, let's have some fun with these voices. So we have a narrator here.
Now I should be sounding like a narrator. I hope that I'm sounding like a narrator. Am I sounding like a narrator? Yes, I think that I am.
Okay, let's go back to clean now. And now we tried the cave earlier, but I'm gonna do it again anyway because I really liked it. It's one of my favorites. I do sound like that I'm in a cave, which is great. I love the ambience. It's amazing. This is just, I can imagine playing a game like The Forest, and when you go into the caves, you could so totally use this and be more immersed in the gameplay than ever. Okay, so the custom pitch looks like you can change. So if I go really high, and now I think I'm very squeaky, and let's just tone it back down a little bit, and put it back up. Right. So this is really cool.
And if I want to go really low, I sound like some sort of beast or something, I don't know.
Let's put that back on normal now, shall we? If you want to turn off any background effects to voices, for example, the cave has dripping water, then you can switch it on and off down here. So you can see you can have so much fun with Voicemod. There's so much potential with this, and I'm already having a great time. You could do so many things with this. It's fantastic. I love it. And there you have it. That's how you use Voicemod. Wow, I cannot wait to start using this on my recordings and my gameplay. Whereas I think I'm gonna go and make some funny animal videos with this voice changer. What are you gonna do with it?